My name is Tristan. I study drone Certificate 3 drones as well as Diploma in Aviation Management with Ace Aviation. My home country is Kenya, East Africa. So yeah, I come from there. It's a great place, of course. Wildlife, tradition, culture, everything. Originally, I was a pilot in Kenya, so I came down to Australia to further in my career with adding on to a Diploma of Aviation Management as well as the drones. I operated in Kenya before, but it's not serious there. So when I came here, it took it up another level, being serious and licensing, and so yeah, surprised. Got an email, woke up, got an email saying I was a student of the year, and took me by surprise, but I was a bit happy about it. I told my mom, she was also surprised. Told my brother, he thought I was lying. Told my housemates, they were happy for me. So I think everyone was also like me, a bit surprised. Furthering my career, I'm passionate about flying, so I feel like coming down here and doing this course will just take me that one step further in my industry. I'd recommend AIBT because the trainers are hands-on. They understand, they're fast, they're there for you, rather than in most cases where the teachers or lecturers would neglect. But AIBT, they're there for you, they're fast, they'll update you, everything is working. Aviation, piloting, just being the best captain, hopefully, sometime later in my life. Flying across the world, having fun, so yeah.